You want a beach? You want a beach? You want a beach? Yes. Let's walk. Ang duck, coming now. Mommy is getting the duck. Come on. Let's go to the beach. Sige na, you walk. You walk. Big boy naman ka. You walk, you walk. Yes, dahil kang plants, oh. Whoa. Let's go, let's go. You cool, Bibi. Bibi. Bibi, come here.
Oh, Bibi. Say Bibi.
Bibi.
Caleb.
Bibi Gideon. How are you? Mura gini madaog-daog daw nga beach. Caleb, look at oh. Say hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to our vlog. Huh? No more dog? Shark. Maybe you like sharks? You walk sa kay kapoy na. Oh, come here. Look at the shark, kuya. Look at the shark. Kuya. Look at the shark. Okay. Come here, kuya, faster. Caleb, faster. Yes, the beach is big. In Bisaya, dako ang dagat. Okay, let's check kung dire be. Wow, lamia sa dagat, guys. Uy. I love the air. Nakakaitim. Caleb, come here. Faster. Nice. Walang lumot. Wala. Ano man? Kuya. Whoa. Yes. Na, you like na?
Are you in the beach? Are you in the beach already?
Whoa. There's a boat. Oh, the boat. Oh, the boat. Wow. Hello, Gideon. Ask Gideon.
Say hi guys.
Hi, guys, Caleb. Hi, guys. Let's go to the deep, Caleb. Let's go to the deep. Look, dagan fish, oh. Wow, dagan fish. Uy. Tongo Beach. Gideon, how are you? Gideon. Hello. Nice. Si Kuya, si Yami. Hello. Let's enjoy life. May fish, no? Ate Chuna. Mamala and Lulami. Yeah. Whoa. I'm already submerged. Wow. We go again? Again? Enjoy kayo, Caleb. Uy. Yes, clap. Ay, clap. Ay, clap.
Are you happy?
Sige, diyan lang eh.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Woo! Yay! Dagan! Come here! Let's swim! Whoa! Let's swim! Gideon? Pitok man mata Gideon. Pitok. You wanna swim? Ah, kuya ra ka swim ay. Kuya Caleb. Hello.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi Caleb.
Oh. Lulami. Enjoying the beach. Ate Chona. Oy, Gideon. Where are you going? Uli na ka? Oh. Bye-bye. Whoa. kuya. Hello.
Hello.
Whoa.
Are you happy?
Wow, very big waves, no?
Are you happy?
Nice, no? Big waves. Big waves. Wee. Hoy, ayo. Parat. Yang di inom tubig. Yang gituyog kad kuan. Wow.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you too. I love you too. Woo! Tagan. Oh, big wave oh. Wow! Big wave. Woo! Wow, big waves. Uy! Ha? Halo ka sa iho? Wala may iho basta bawd lablab. Ha, tara, let's go na. We're done with our babat sa beach. Caleb, we'll go home now. Say goodbye to the beach na kuya. Bye-bye beach. Let's go na, let's go. Ang mabaw lang pala. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go to daddy. Goodbye, goodbye beach. Say goodbye to the beach. Let's go na. Bye beach. Bye beach. Goodbye. We're going home. Going home na. As simple as that. What's that? It's a boat. Look at the boat. Look at the boat. Whoa, let's see if there's a shark. Don't, kuya, don't. There's a boat. Oh, boat. It's a boat, kuya. Speeding boat. Speeding boat. Say goodbye to your friends. Goodbye, friends. Caleb, say goodbye to your friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye. That ends our holiday. Yay! See you guys on our next vlog. Stay safe.